Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Lecturers. I, Utami Indirasari from the Magister of Management, will present my thesis proposal entitled Reforecast Intention of Provincial Government Employees of the Special Capital Region of Jakarta on Food and Drink Transaction in the e-order application. I will divide this presentation into three chapters, starting from chapter 1, Introduction, which discuss the background of the phenomenon of transaction inequality in a order, continue to chapter 2, Literature Review, regarding theoretical synthesis and hypothesis development, and chapter 3, is about methodology. Introduction, background. The urgency of this research stems from the role of MSMS as a pillar of the national economy. MSMS have a very strategic role, not only as a driving force for economic growth and labor absorption, but also as an instrument for equitable distribution of sustainable development result. In accordance with the ASEAN Investment Report, September 2022, in 2021, Indonesia has the largest number of MSMS in the Asian region, which is 65 million business actors, which are fully supported by regulations such as the Job Creation Law for ease of doing business. In DKI Jakarta, there is a regulatory support through Jakarta Governor Regulation number 2 of 2020 concerning the implementation of Integrated Entrepreneurship Development or PKT. The transformation from Integrated Entrepreneurship Development or PKT to Checkpreneur has created a large ecosystem with hundreds of thousands of business actors who are now directed to enter the digital market through progressive government policies. The target is not only citizens who wants to start a business, but also actors who are developing their business to upgrade. One of the strategies to encourage the increase of the class of MSMS is involvement in direct pre-recruitment through the expansion of e-purchasing transaction with the e-order system implemented by BPBJ DKI Jakarta. Through the e-order system, the pro-recruitment process is carried out more efficiently, transparently, and accountably in the purchase of goods and service products. Data show that extraordinary accumulation of transactions from 2018 to 2024, raising more than 685 billion rupiah, and the data show an increase every year. However, there is a significant gap where despite the thousands of vendors, orders tend to be concentrated on a handful of providers such as Mustafa Catering, Alfiandra, Sego Pecel Bubroto, Sanggar Kuliner Betawi, and Ensa Bakery. The Jakarta Provincial Government through BPBJ has initiated the e-order platform as a tangible form of procurement digitalization. This is a big business because based on Instruksi Governor number 1 of 2023, The pro-recruitment of food and drinks must be carried out by regional operators and BUMD up to a value of 550 million rupiah through the system. This is not just an administrative tool, but an economic strategy to absorb local MSMS product transparently and accountably into government spending. This finding indicates that the distribution of orders in the e-order ecosystem has not been evenly distributed. So the researcher raised the topic repercuss intention of provincial government employees of the Special Capital Region of Jakarta on food and drink transaction in the order application. My research question focused on the extent to which product quality affect customer satisfaction in order transaction, and how does service quality affect customer satisfaction in order transaction, and how does product quality affect repurchase intention in the order transaction, how does service quality affect repurchase intention in a order transaction, how does service quality affect repurchase intention in transaction eating and drinking through the e-order application, and how does customer satisfaction affect repurchase intention in eating and drinking transaction through the e-order application. The benefit of this study is to empirically test the model of the relationship between these variables. This theoretical benefit is that this research is expected to be useful and useful for the development of science, especially in the field of marketing management, while practically providing input of the Jakarta provincial government in fostering jackpreneur to be able to retain customers in the digital market. Chapter 2 about literature review. There's so many theoretical foundation and about service quality, support theory from Bliss Levens, which emphasize the ease of use of e-order application and provider responsiveness. And then about product quality in this study, adopt the dimension of Susilawati as a characteristic of goods or services that have the ability to meet customer need, evaluate whether the good receive meet expectation and quality product. And customer satisfaction is the feeling of pleasure or disappointment experienced by a consumer that arises from the result of comparison between the expected performance of a product or service with the actual performance received by the consumer by Kamita. And the repurchase according LCVA occurs when a consumer makes a repurchase of the same product or service more than once after being satisfied with the previous transaction experience. There are 5 main hypotheses in this thesis that are supported by various previous researches. There is a positive and significant influence of product quality and report case intention, and product quality on customer satisfaction, service quality on customer satisfaction. But there is one study from Sahroni starting that service quality has a negative and insignificant influence of repurchase intention. So I want to test in consistency in an e-order specific ecosystem that has bureaucratic characteristics. Based on the theoretical framework that has been proposed, the hypothesis of this research can be described as follows, like this. And with the research hypothesis that product quality has a positive and significant influence on repercuss intention. The second one, product quality has a positive and significant influence on customer satisfaction. Hypothesis 3 about service quality has an influence on customer satisfaction positively and significantly. The first one, service quality has a positive and significant influence on reporter's intention. And hypothesis 5 about customer satisfaction has a positive and significant influence on repercuss intention. Chapter 3 about methodology. Data collection is planned to take place from December 2025 until the end of the study. This time selection is crucial to capture the trend of annual transaction in the Jakarta provincial government so that the data obtained reflects the actual spending dynamic. The research population uh, is 68,000 civil servant within the Jakarta provincial government. Given the size of the population, I use the purposive sampling technique with the criteria that respondents are ASN who have experienced transaction in e-order or who have provide recommendation for option in e-order. Based on the Cochrane formula, I set a minimum sample of 365 respondents to maintain the confidence level of the research at 95%. This study uses a descriptive quantitative design using primary data. Data analysis was carried out with using structural equation modeling, SEM, with AMOS software version 31. This technique was chosen because it was able to test the relationship between latent variables simultaneously. We'll do two stages of testing, measurement model through CVA for instrument validity and structural model to test the research hypothesis. To ensure that the model I built fit will the field data, I use several goodness of fit criteria, including CMIN values below 2.0, RMCA below 0.08, and TLI and CPI values about 0.9. I applied this strict standard to ensure accurate that academically accountable research result. In closing, this study is expected to be able to prove a comprehensive portrait. I really hope for input from the lectures of the sake of improving this thesis in the future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.